This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Yo, what's up? This is Zeekr 7 GT. It's a nice slick sedan or combi or whatever you call it. And this video, I'm gonna check out how much space we have. I wonder if this is smaller than the 001. So I don't expect crazy lots of space here. But first, let's check if you have a frunk or not. So this is a bit unusual. You open the whole hood here. And then, okay, well, there is a tiny frunk. The charging cable fits there, but that's pretty much it. I can show you banana box for scale. Yeah, I don't know what else you can fit in here. Maybe your man purse, that's pretty much it. Let me try to compact it slightly more here so it doesn't take up so much space. But okay, so no banana boxes in the front then. Can I even close this? Try. Okay. In the back we have, I don't know what kind of look this is. You know, it kind of resembles the Fat Taycan or the Porsche Taycan GT. It has a GT name in it also. It has 646 horsepower. So it's like a Taycan turbo maybe. Yeah. Okay, and then you open the trunk here. And then because it has a slope, then it doesn't have that much space. But here we can move this lid. Opens up more space under the well. You can move it up here. You can take out this plate also. See, I have to take it out this order. And you see, you can put the plate here to get flush trunk, or as I would do it in this test, we'll remove all of these to maximize the space. See, we have a little well here. Not sure if we can fit any banana boxes. It's not that deep, not that big. Yeah, and then there's the little hump there. So, okay, this is how we get it then. But you see, the back seats here, they can recline. Yeah, okay, it's in the most down position. We can go more upright. That's maximum, so it's not that big angle difference. You sit kind of church bench, but still okay comfort. So then you maximize the space in the back. Okay, round one in the trunk. It has that little shape that kind of limits how much you can fit in there. I tried to fit 2 in the width here, it was not possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, that's okay for this segment, but not as good as a 001 that could take 9. But okay, whatever. Let's fold the seat and try again. Okay, as usual, we try to fit as many as possible in here. I think I'll avoid opening that door. Did open this one? Let me see. Well, I can't. Okay, let's try. Okay, not sure if things gonna fall out. Okay, I'll get in there. You see, it couldn't fit a box laying down, so that means that the legroom is not the best. And we have the panorama roof that I try to utilize to squeeze in as many as possible, but there is just some space that cannot be utilized. But I mean, it's close enough. So yeah. The whole shape, and because it's not that boxy, it makes it harder to fit a whole box. You know, if I could chop a box in half, that would be great, but we simply cannot do that. Okay, as always, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
20, 21, 22. Well, I mean, it is what it is. Let me show you here if I close the door. It is just a low, slick car, you know, aerodynamic, good handling. So 22 boxes is right on par with the Audi A6, and it's just better than the Fat Taycan. That could take only 20. Huh? What happened to the Taycan? I don't know. Regular Taycan is even less than that. So, I mean, in that regard, if you don't want SUV, you actually want some good handling and good driving fun, you can still get okay space in here. Okay, that's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.